Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to talk about how you can make your account private on Twitter. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your Twitter and simply log in with your account. After opening Twitter, swipe right on your screen or simply tap over on your profile. Scroll down a bit towards the end of the list and select Settings and Privacy. Inside it, go over to Privacy and Safety, and you'll be able to see a lot of features and options to choose from. What you need to do is simply select the audience and tagging option, and then a toggle bar will pop up on the top of the page. To make your account private, simply turn it on and you're done. You can notice as soon as I toggle it on, the photo tagging option also turns off. Anyway, so that's how you can make your account private on Twitter. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.